going to teach people how to make things virtually, you're going to need something to hold a camera overhead while you make things underneath, whether you're painting, whether you're knitting, whatever it is you're doing. One of the easy ways to do this is simply use your smartphone as your camera, whether you're filming or presenting live via Zoom. This clamp-on tabletop holder is one of my favorite. It has a really easy clamp, super strong. You just screw it on, set the holder into the device, tighten it up. It's got all kinds of different tighteners, these little screw thingies. One of the wonderful things is this can come out so that you can put it in either side of your tabletop holder. Let's first get this bent down to a good view and have it held together. Now, the limitation is that it's only going to show a certain amount of space. This isn't good if you need a large amount of space, but if you have a small table, this is plenty. You'll put your phone in the holder. Ostensibly, it could hold an iPad. Might be a little heavy for this. Slip your thingamajig in there, and then turn your poles so that you have it there. Now you can either put your phone in screen up so that the front-facing phone is down. You have to put it so that it's over a little ways, right? So it's hanging over. And these are great offset because your phone is here and you can plug it in there so you don't lose battery. I find that every time I put it in, I need to loosen up the screw and then screw it nice and tight in order for it to hold the weight of your phone. You can adjust all the things. Let's see if we can get it to go any lower. There we go. That way it can hang out a little bit farther, and we could adjust our camera. Now you can also adjust the camera so that it is face down if you don't need to see the screen. So an overhead camera holder that just clamps onto your table saves space. It's fabulous.